These days, more and more people are using their iPhones to make videos for YouTube. And if you're one of those people, then fantastic. They are fantastic video cameras in these phones. But the problem that most people run into, a lot of people run into, is storage space. You need to know how to get the videos off of your phone. Now, there's a couple ways to do that, but what I find is the easiest way is to transfer your videos directly from your phone to an external hard drive. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. And the drive we're going to use is this Samsung T7. This is a 1 terabyte drive, but it's also available in 2 terabyte and 4 terabyte versions. This is a USB-C drive. It's an SSD drive. SSD is much better than an HDD or hard disk drive because they're much faster. There's no moving parts inside them. So what you're going to need is iPhone, and you're going to need this drive, and you're going to need a USB-C to USB-C cable. This is the one that came with my iPhone. You also get one when you purchase this Samsung drive. So what we're going to do is we're going to use 2 apps on the phone. So let me just start recording my phone here. So we're going to need to use our Photos app. That's where videos and photos get stored. But we're also going to use the Files app. Now, you may not be as familiar with the Files app, but it comes on your phone. If you can't find it, then all you have to do is click the search and then start typing in the word Files, and then there it is. So when you click to open up the Files app, you're going to see all of the different locations where your files are stored. Okay? Now, what you want to do is connect the SSD drive, the Samsung drive, to the phone. So we're going to take our cable. We're going to plug one end in here, and we're going to take the other end, and as I plug it into the iPhone, USB-C, you'll notice that, give it a second or two, this shows up here, T7. This is the T7 drive, all right, by Samsung. So we can click on that, and we can see that currently my drive is empty, all right, but now we have a successful connection. So now let's go back to our Photos app. You're going to click on the Select button, and then you're going to select the photos or videos that you want to transfer. So let's just, here's a very short video and a couple of photos. I've selected them, and then you're going to hit the this transfer button in the lower left, and then up pops all the options. You'll scroll down and click Save to Files. Then we click Save, and then we can see that all the files are transferring to the T7 drive. So let's get out of there and let's go back to the Files app. We'll open that and let's go to T7. And then we can see 2 of the files have already uploaded, and the third one, which was the video, is still uploading. And let's just give that a second. And there we go. The files are successfully transferred to the drive. And now we can go back to the main menu, unplug our drive, and we'll see that the T7 disappears. Now our files are on this hard drive. So if you're shooting videos on your iPhone and you then want to edit them on your computer, once you've transferred them to this drive, you can plug this drive into your MacBook or a PC and edit your video directly off of this drive. Okay, and then once you're finished, you can upload that to YouTube. So this is a handy way to free up space on your phones so that you can go out and make more videos. Okay, so I hope this helps. I'll leave a link down below to this drive. Again, it comes in a 1, 2, and 4 terabyte version. This is the 1 terabyte version. But if you do plan on using these to archive and store all of your videos, you might want to look at the larger ones because obviously they'll hold more videos. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions at all, let me know in the comments below. My name is Rob, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, guys. Bye. You just stay up here. You sit down, though. Let's make a video, okay? Test. Test, test, test. Hello. So if you're making videos on your phone and you want to get your videos off of your phone onto a hard drive, an external hard drive, you don't need a computer to do that. You can offload them directly from the phone to the hard drive. I get a lot of questions. No. Are you using your phone to make videos? If you do, great. Today's more and more people are using their iPhones to make videos for YouTube. And if you're one of those people, then fantastic. It's a great camera in today's iPhones. No.